Welcome WBP stars at the Echo Restaurant in Ascona. My name is Rolf Liegauf. I'm the executive chef for the Echo Restaurants in Switzerland, and I prepare a starter for you. It will be Balfego tuna with horseradish, poached oyster and chioccia beets. Okay, we have the tuna carpaccio with the vinaigrette is ponzu. And also a small tartare of the bluefin tuna. A poached Chillardeau oyster. And we have the pickled chioccia beet. So this is horseradish cream. And then we have different herbs like the sea coal. This is the oyster emulsion. A little bit of fresh horseradish. Season it. Here we have a vinaigrette of bonito, so it's a dashi vinaigrette with a little bit of yuzu. Schön Perlenteichen. Perlen. Seaweed cracker. And some frozen pearls of horseradish. Enjoy our starter and hope to see you soon at our restaurant.